हेलो एंड वेलकम टू वर्ल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन चैनल। आज से हम इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल सीरीज पर डिस्कशन करेंगे जो कि इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में आएगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। यूनियन एंड इट्स टेरिटरी, आर्टिकल 1 to 4। The Constitution is nothing but a legal document and the Indian Constitution is the supreme law of India. It explains the various players who are in authority in the country, their power and limits of their power. It also defines the fundamental rights and duties of citizens. World largest constitution present, having 448 articles in 25 parts and 12 schedules, but it had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules in commencement time. Part 1 of the Constitution is titled as the Union and its Territory. These parts come under articles from 1 to 4. Let's discuss the Union and its territory in detail. Article 1. Name and territory of the Union. India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The states and the territories thereof shall be specified in the first schedule. The territory of India shall comprise the territories of states, the union territories specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired. Article 2. Admission or establishment of new states. Parliament may by law admit into the Union or establish new states on such terms and conditions as it thinks fit. Sikkim to be associated with the Union territory. Article 3. Formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states. Parliament may by law form a new state by separation of territory from any state, or by uniting two or more states or part of states, or by uniting any territory to a part of any states. Increase the area of any states, diminish the area of any state, alter the boundaries of any state, alter the name of any state, provided that no bill for the purpose shall be introduced in either House of Parliament except on the recommendation of the President, and unless where the proposal contained in the bill affected the area, boundaries or the name of any of the states, the bill has been referred by the President to the legislature of the state for expressing its view thereon within such period as may be specified in the reference, or within such further period as the President may allow, and the period so specified or allowed has expired. Article 4. Laws made under Articles 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of the first and the fourth schedule and supplemental, incidental and consequential matters. Any law referred to in Article 2 or Article 3 shall contain such provisions for the amendment of the first schedule and the fourth schedule as may be necessary to give effect to the provisions of the law, and may also contain such supplemental, incidental and consequential provisions as Parliament may deem necessary. No such law as aforesaid shall be deemed to be in amendment of this Constitution for the purpose of Article 368.